It's great to see the products on the shelf, to have a choice in your favorite store, to have time to buy gifts to your loved ones in time. But few people know that the entire path of the goods from the manufacturer to the customer would simply be impossible without them. Those on whose informed decisions depend whether the citizens of the cities and small towns will be provided with everything they need. Those whose professionalism allows the business to save not only the money but also valuable time. Those on whose work the economy of the whole country depends every day. The supply and demand function is a unique sphere, without which the success of any business is impossible. The work that is being carried out even before the customer has chosen exactly what he wants to buy. Even before the production has had time to purchase raw materials, you already know exactly what, in what volumes, and to which region will be sent. It depends on the accuracy of the calculations, whether the employees of the factory will be loaded with work, whether buyers will be able to find the right amount of materials and parts. It is you who help to maintain the balance of consumption on our planet, saving the world from overproduction and excessive load on resources. It is you who stand behind any product and commodity and remain the invisible superhero that the country needs. Here is the result of your work. Goods in the right quantity, produced on time, are delivered to the final buyer. Everything from toys to cosmetics. Everything from medicines to spare parts. Everything from food to repair goods. Thanks to your attentiveness, quick thinking and experience. Thanks to perfect supply chains. Everything in this world becomes possible. You give the world harmony like a real artist, which calculates the perfect balance and creates its golden ratio every time with every calculation. You give harmony to the world, creating the perfect balance over and over again. We give you the perfect tool for your masterpiece.